Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today's video is all about semi-necked cake, a perfect mix of rustic beauty and minimal elegance. With just the right amount of frosting, these 15 cake ideas are ideal for outdoor weddings, choosy celebrations, and natural styling lovers. The first one is classic white semi-necked cake, a white sponge cake with just a layer of buttercream scattered on the outside, topped with white fresh roses. The next is semi-necked cake with berries, layered with strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Fresh, fruity, and perfect for spring and summer events. The next is floral with semi-necked cake, a board with a circle of fresh flowers around the base or top edge. Add charm and softness. The next is rustic woody cake, decorated with greenery like rosemary or olive branches, earthy and simple. The next is two-tier rose cake, soft blush roses and gold print leaves give this cake a romantic touch, perfect for wedding or anniversaries. The next is semi-necked cake with macarons. Add macarons in the pastel shade on the side or top. Elegant and trendy, a modern or rustic style. The next is chocolate drip semi-neck cake. Drizzle with chocolate drip and finish with berries or nuts. Delicious, dramatic. Rustic meets flower, rich flavor. The next is semi-neck with citrus and herbs. Topped with dried orange slices, steamed or mint. Fresh, fragmented, and full of charm. Perfect for summer wedding or brunch cakes. The next is lavender and lemon semi-neck cake. Lemon sponge cake with a light coat of icing and a top of lavender spring. Soft and aromatic. Elegant with a hint of countryside charm. The next is neck cake with gold leaf accent. Minimal icing and a few touches of edible gold. Sophisticated and high-ended. Understated luxury. The next is semi-necked cake with dripped caramel. Warm caramel dripping from top and paired with fig or apple slices. Great for autumn events. The next is semi-necked cake with sunflowers. Decorate with real or fondant sunflower bold and joyful. Perfect for farmhouse style weddings. The next is tall semi-necked boho cake. 4 or 5 layers shocked high with minimal buttercream and dried florals. The next is semi-necked cake with seasonal fruits. Add fig, pomegranate, grapes, or pears depending on the season. Natural and flavorful. The next is elegant white and cream semi-neck cake. A white sponge with greeny like ferns or veins and white blooms. From floral to fruit, rustic to refined, semi-neck cake are perfect for any occasion that calls for effortless beauty. Which style would you choose? Bonus tips. Use a light hand frosting, add natural element, display it simply. Which semi-neck cake style is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more videos.